50%, some other thing. 60%, some other thing. I am changing the code. Top 200 pixels, left 400 pixels, color blue. Here 60%. Top 100 pixels, left 200 pixels, color yellow. Next, direct 100% means last point. Background color orange. Now you see, refresh. See, it is moving, changing color. The total animation will occur in 40 seconds now. See, changing, moving positions. I have not given any rotation, anything. If you want to give, you can give transformations, rotate, increase, decrease, any effect, any transformation effects also you can take. Okay, this is how you will do animation. The first thing to do any animation in CSS3 is, the first thing we need to write this animation. That is a property name, colon, my first is the name of the animation which we are going to use. 40 seconds, that is the duration of the total animation. WebKit animation, that is nothing but prefix, browser prefix. To do animation we use @keyframes. It is the actual property. Since I am using Chrome, I am directly writing WebKit @keyframes. My first is the name that which we give in the above. That name I will give here. So 0% of the total animation time where it will be. 20% of the animation time where it will be, 40% where it will be, 60% where it will be, 100% where it will be. That is the meaning. Percentage means that is the meaning. 20% means total animation time in that 20%. Total animation time in that 40%. Total animation time in that 60%. Like that we are going to do. So this is about total transformations, transitions and animations. Next thing we will see is colors. The next thing we will see is colors. How to apply colors. So I will just take one P. Welcome to colors concept. So just in title also I am changing that only. Colors. Okay. So till now we are giving colors using color names or color code, right? Now you see first example here, P flower brackets open close. I am giving background. You can give color like this. This is one method. We know already that one. This is color. Next method is hash 6-digit code, which you can take from Photoshop software, or if you have internet in Google you can type that and you can take 6-digit code. Like this 6-digit code will be there. This is another method of taking colors. Okay. And the third method, these two we already see in CSS2 also. The third method now we are going to take is RGBA. What is the method name? RGBA method. R means red, G means green, B means blue, A means alpha. So what is this method? RGBA method. RGBA stands for red, green, blue, A means alpha. Alpha is nothing but opacity. Alpha is nothing but opacity of that one. RGBA technique or RGBA method we call it as. Okay, RGBA technique or RGBA method. Now here RGBA, you give RGB values. Red value 255, everything remaining all I am giving 0. Red 255 means you will get first color only. Alpha I am giving 0.5. So first three values are RGB values and the last value 0.5 is nothing but alpha value. Alpha value ranges from 0 to 1 only. In the 0 to 1 range only we should take the alpha. Now you save, you will get red color only but not that much red, because I am giving 0.5. If I give 1 here, you will get pure red. If I give this also 0, the color is not visible. Is there but it is not visible. 0.1, see, little bit visible. So that is alpha. 1 is full. This is full color. Now if I give here 0, here if I give 255, so you will get green. So simply what I can say is RGB values ranges from 0 to 255. 0 to 255. Next, alpha value ranges from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. This is about our RGBA method. Instead of lighting like this RGBA method, we can write that in another way also. How? First, what you do? HSL method. What is that method? HSL method. HSL stands for hue, saturation, L means lightness. We simply call lightness, in brackets I am writing brightness. So where I can get this HSL value or where I can get that RGB value? Same, in Google you can try color picker. From that color picker you can get those RGB values and hue saturation values also. I am giving some random values here, 200, 150. This is in percentages. L is in percentage, 80%. Save. Now see. Okay. So this is also in percentages. Okay. First is value, remaining all are in percentages. You give any number, based on that you will get. This is another technique. We can give A also here. A means alpha. So these are the color methods. So I am writing a brief description of colors here. First is color name, color code, RGBA method, HSL method, HSLA method. These are the total methods we are having for giving single colors. Not only single colors, we can apply multicolors also. Means gradient colors. So how to apply those gradient colors we will see. I will just remove this. Okay. Now instead of this I will take one div, open, div, close, div tag open, div tag close. In this div tag I am going to apply styles now. First I will write div, open, div, close. First I am giving some height, 100 pixels. That's all. Background red. This is for browsers which doesn't not support gradient. Support gradient. That is the property for that browsers. I will just cut this code. I will paste it here. Next, gradient color code. Just writing comments everywhere so that you can understand. That is the property background property name is linear gradient. That is a property name. Give colors, red, green, blue, something like that. Any colors you give. Save, use refresh. See, red, green, blue colors you are getting. Multi colors, not single colors. Next, we can control the percentages of those colors also. We can give more also. For example, I am giving 5%. I am giving this one 15%. This one 90%. Like that I have given. Now if you see output, what will happen? The percentage which is having more, that is occupying more, remaining is less. See, if I don't give percentages, you will get equally. This is how to apply multiple gradients. Give colors, just give colors, you will get colors. If you give percentages, depending on the percentages it will come. 10%, 45%, 90%. Now you see, little bit it will increase that one. Still red is less, green is then more than that, blue is more than that one. Linear gradient, that is a property name. Okay, the colors are coming in straight now. Instead of like that, we can give here to right. If I give like that, what happen? The colors are going towards right side. See, diagonally or from left to right, to bottom right. Now you will get diagonally. Okay. So first is just give color names. We will get equally. We will get equally. Next, color names with percentages. Names with percentages. Then more the percentage, more it will occupy. Okay, this is another thing. Next one, to right, to bottom right, to left, to bottom left. These are the values for diagonally. So this is how to give multicolors. Okay, we have some more options in that linear gradient and some 2-3 properties in CSS3 that we will see in the next session. Okay, and how to design site. Okay, this is linear gradient. Colors, before the colors we will add this. These are the description, giving color names, giving percentages, and also giving directions to right, to left, to bottom right, to bottom left, like that. Okay.